Good morning, Sparkle friends, and happy Sunday. I have had a lot of inquiries about how I do my eyes of the day and what base I use. And since so many people seem to be interested, I decided I would do this video and show you the complete process. So the first thing you need is clear mascara. Now I use Maybelline Great Lash Clear. It's the easiest thing for me to find. I don't know if there are others out there or not, but clear mascara. And I always, when I get it, I always take the little ring out that prevents so you can actually, get a quantity of it on the brush. Now, me, myself, I take a clamshell. I put some of my clear mascara in the clamshell, and then I mix my product into that. But since this is a significant amount that it would take quite a bit to mix this up, we're not going to do that. We're just going to use a little bit. And then this is a sample of Heavenly. That's what we're going to work with today. I've got my small brush. That's what I use to do my mixing and my painting. And then a little bigger brush, that's for tapping it on if you so choose to do that. And then I've got my little bowl. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna point my camera down here. Oh, if I can get my tripod to cooperate without falling over, because it's heavy. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of my clear mascara on my brush. I'm gonna put it in my bowl. And then I'm gonna take my sample here. And I'm not gonna use very much, so you can see how much is there now. And that's what's left, so I kind of just took that little corner right there. And you can see what's in the bowl. And then I'm going to mix these together. Now, the reason I recommend, using a clamshell is because you don't want to waste it. Once you've got your mix, it's probably going to be more than you need. So you're going to want to keep a little bit in that clamshell so it doesn't dry out. Turns out I actually need a little bit more of my clear. Obviously, this is kind of messy of a process in a little bowl like this. I'm used to doing it in the clamshell. So now we have our paint. Now, I can't see very well without reading glasses, so forgive me for not being very accurate. You can see a little bit goes a long way. Like I said, I can't really see, so normally I'd be doing this in front of a magnetizing mirror. All right, so we've got that on. That's what's still in the bowl. And then I'm going to take, you can see it's pretty shiny just by using the clear mascara. So you don't really have to go over it with the powder. You can just let it dry. But I find I get a brighter effect out of it if I do go over it with the powder. As you can see, I get a little fallout And that's what's still left in my sample. And then you can let that dry before you, or you can, use it to work with it and blend while it's still wet. And as you can see, you get the nice, very bright color out of it. And the full shifts. And that is how I get the look that I do. Another secret weapon you might consider is this. This is my other go-to for a primer. This is Maybelline's Color Stay, Super Stay 24-Hour Color Lip Color. And while the clear mascara does a great job, the reason you might consider using this is because the clear mascara is not going to give you a waterproof surface. And over, a full day, it might crease a little. It's not going to crease a lot. But this stuff, you will not see any creasing at all. You will be waterproof. You can swim with it. You can sleep with it. I've even done my makeup the night before without the mascara, but done my eyes the night before using this, slept in it, gotten up, had very little corrections to make, virtually no smudging, a little bit, but not much, and then had 30 minutes worth of eye work done in 5. It comes in a variety of colors. I put it on in a very, very thin layer. I guess I could demonstrate that for you. So you can't see it, but at least on my skin tone, I can't see this, except by the little bit of reflection I've gotten here. And so then, now if you do use this method, you will absolutely have to use a makeup remover to get it off. I especially like this method for really sparkly shades because they stick. And we go back to the window again. So you can see that the clear mascara method gives you a little brighter finish than the lipstick method. I hate always looking sideways into the camera, but they're very, very close together as far as how well they do. So, I hope you have enjoyed my rather lengthy tutorial, and I thank you for everyone who watches. Have a great day. Bye-bye.